Konnichiwa from Japan. Welcome back to Sumit Everywhere. Today we are at the famous Shibuya Crossing, the busiest crossing in the world. The energy here is insane. Giant screens, neon lights, non-stop movement and people all around. This really feels like the heart of Tokyo. Walking through the crowd here feels unreal. People everywhere taking photos, filming videos, and sharing the experience together. Look here, some street artists are performing, and honestly, the whole crowd is just enjoying the moment. And this is exactly why so many people come to Shibuya Crossing. Everything connects here: shopping, food, nightlife, and one of the busiest stations in Tokyo. And whenever the signal changes, you will see people everywhere stopping to film and get that perfect Tokyo shot. By the way guys, little tip, this Starbucks has an amazing panoramic view of Shibuya Crossing if you want to see the whole crossing from above. This is Shibuya Center-gai. Glowing neon lights, packed restaurants, music everywhere, and endless little streets. This really feels like the heart of Tokyo at night. There is something really inspiring about walking through Shibuya. No matter where you look, everything feels creative, alive, and constantly moving. It's the kind of place that makes you want to explore more of Tokyo. Alright guys, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this walk through Tokyo, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more videos from Japan. See you in the next one.